So we've shipped 100 million units today, but the real target is 100 billion units. Ambiq solutions make it so seamless, so affordable to add intelligence to endpoint devices that very soon there are going to be billions of smart things everywhere. Your Ring will act like a Harvard-trained doctor that alerts you to your new illness before you've infected half the workplace. It'll tell you to go home early, arrange an appointment with your doctor, and then it'll coach you on sleep and eating schedule that will help you get back to health quickly. We'll be able to stop the next worldwide pandemic before it ever starts. Everything in your home will be fully networked and intelligent. Every water pipe in the house will monitor pressure levels. It'll turn itself off at the first sign of a leak. It'll schedule a plumber to come out and make a repair. Similarly, every piece of equipment and every wall, ceiling, floor in a factory will be equipped with always listening devices that detect the earliest sign of a production problem. Maintenance robots will come out, automatically inspect and repair equipment, and all of this will happen before line down happens at enormous cost, and it all happens without human intervention.